It was one of the worst kept secrets ever. The iPhone has Gorilla Glass. We knew it, but Apple had never come out and said it clearly and directly, but we now know that it is Gorilla Glass. So it is really tough. It is a tough screen, it's a strong screen, doesn't get any stronger than that. Still, I like to have a screen protector on my iPhone because it's an expensive phone and I carry it with me all the time, and there's a lot to be said for having that extra layer of protection so that hopefully you don't get scratches. Scratches kill the resale value, and cracks obviously mess it up completely. The problem is I don't like screen protectors. They don't feel great, they mess with the optics a lot of the time, and the permanent solutions that go on wet have a bit of a tacky feel to them. I just don't like them. That's where this comes in. This is the GLASt Premium Tempered Screen Protector for the iPhone 4 or iPhone 4S. It comes from SGP. It is expensive, about a little over 25 bucks, and it is worth every single penny. Every single penny. It is awesome. I've been using it on this iPhone for quite some time. You can see some gaps here. That's because I messed up. It's not an issue with the screen protector. We're actually going to put a new one on because I didn't do a great job putting it on. But even with it not being perfect, I mean, it's amazing. You use the iPhone, there's no loss of touch at all. It just is remarkable. So let's take a look at what's inside and then actually put a new one on. So inside the package, you will find a cleaning cloth, a squeegee to get out bubbles. We'll talk about that in a second. An original SGP store serial number, a cleaning swab, 6 different buttons because the glass screen protector raises up the screen level a little bit and it's harder to reach the button, so you put these buttons on. We'll have more to say about that in a sec. And the actual glass screen protector, which we won't take out yet. The idea with this is that you clean the glass really well with as little dust or no dust as possible. You line up the screen protector, place it down, press in the center, and it literally adheres and expands outward. You don't have to do more than that. Problem is you get one shot. I had to lift this one up because there was dust, and that's where I introduced these issues. You get one shot. You need to be very slow, very careful, have no dust, and line it up perfectly. The buttons. Love the button idea and love the feel of the button. It actually makes the button convex instead of concave. Love it. Problem here is, if you're not careful, it's a little bit askew, as you can see from this one. So my suggestion is take tweezers, line it up, place it down really carefully. Again, you basically get one shot with each button. I've removed and replaced this one a couple of times to try to get it better. Didn't do a great job. But I still say this is the best screen protector ever made, and I will never use something other than this, at least until something else that's made out of tempered glass comes along. It's that good. So let's put it on, and I'll show you how it looks when it's really clean and pristine. So we're going to actually lift up the old screen so you can actually get a look at it, and because obviously I need to take it off before we put the new one down. Also, they talk about the fact that you should use a case with the screen protector because it is glass and the edges could chip. So here's the screen protector, and literally it is a piece of glass. Maybe we'll do a video where we actually test how strong this thing is. But you can see just how clear it is when I put it up in front of the screen. So that's the one we just took off. We're told to wipe the screen down, take the ELO swab and wipe it down like this. Clean. Alana, if you would just start slowly spraying air. That's just to create some negative pressure here. That's the hope, is that this time through we'll have it really, really good. And you can see that it just kind of spreads out. The squeegee, and you just squeegee out the air bubbles. And over time, this will sit down and the bubbles will work their way out. It is, as I said, by far the very best screen protector I have ever used. I will never use anything else if I have a choice. This is Dan for Gear Diary. We've been looking at the GLASt Screen Protector from SGP. It's awesome.